Today we're making salmon. But I do want to apologize ahead of time, guys. I forgot to go over my ingredients, but every single thing will be in my description box. First, you want to season up your salmon with some lemon zest. This is a very lemony, spicy, delicious salmon recipe. You want to add spicy, girl, all over the salmon, which is my seasoning. You also want to add some salt. Now I'm searing down my salmon in coconut oil. You can use whatever fat you prefer. You want to flip that thing over, get it nice and caramelized. I didn't want mine too dark. And then you're going to add your herbs. Again, all in measurements and ingredients will be in my description box. So you're adding your cilantro, your garlic. You want to get it all over your fish. I'm cooking my fish right now on medium heat so I don't burn my fish or my garlic. Then you want to start adding your lemon juice. You want to put the juice of half of one lemon over your fish and also the juice of one lime over your fish. Then you want to take a spoon and just like spoon it all over your fish and get all the flavors all down in your salmon. You can't mess it up. It's very, the ingredients is not that much. You can't mess it up. It's straightforward. I promise you, it's probably the easiest salmon recipe I've ever made before. So then you want to get it all over, and this is what it looks like. Alright, y'all, look how gorgeous this is. I'm actually meal prepping for my husband, so I'm pretty much just leaving it on a plate so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm going to taste a little piece right here. Now I want some more. This shit is good as hell. Y'all, it's so lemony. It's spicy. It's herby. The garlic. He's so spoiled. And he gets to show off to his coworkers. So, yeah, I think I won this time. But anyway, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.